forgot to put my microphone on. Southwest little part of the house. It's where one of the bedrooms is at. Down the lower part, when I had the driveway done, they did a blacktop, but it's a rock surface. It's on top of the blacktop. And when they did the blacktop, some of it spattered up on the house, the lower part of the house. And I primed it yesterday. Today I'm going to go ahead and paint it, the actual color, and then see how it looks and maybe give another coat. Or I may wait until we do the rest of the house and then I'll just give it the second coat. We'll see how it turns out, how it matches. Okay, I'm back here. Decided to go ahead and record this part of it. This is the paint. I'm painting the house. It's kind of a bluish gray. It's just like on the shed here. I had to take it up to Menards yesterday and have them reshake it up because it's set for a couple of years. But it's still good shape. I had a couple of cans of paint quart size that froze or did something. I don't know what happened to them, but I had to get those replaced. And since they may have frozen, I didn't push them on it that it was a bad paint. I just went ahead and bought 2 new quarts of what I needed. But this seemed to come out pretty good. And with paint being so expensive now, you really got to be careful. But I'm going to take all my paint in cans inside the house. Never had a problem until last year. I don't know if I didn't keep the temperature in my shed warm enough, and now I have a heater in there. It's the same shed I have my recording studio, which right now it's in a state of repair, all tore up. Shoot, where's the other one? What did I do with that? Why am I so confused? Where in the world did I put it? Okay, I need this. There's that other one. Big deal. I need this. All you gotta do is just take a can opener, just go through the edge and find any loose stuff. Just get rid of it. See how these things are really nice. You put them around the edge or the lid, and you don't spill over everything, and it gives you a nice. But it's nice that you can rip dried paint off just like new if you don't look too close. Put this on this side because the instructions are on the back. You don't want to cover those up. And the front, all you need to know is what the paint is, but the top gives you all the mixing information, the coloring and stuff. My thumb wants to come out. Let's change that. I got an extra one here. Best way to get these on. The problem is you put moisture in there. And years ago I was doing carpentry work. We had a guy that come in and did our painting, and he used to take cornstarch and put in the gloves, and it kept you from sweating too much. And these are sealed so good that you can't help but sweat in them. It's got a little booger in there. There. Put that into there. So I think that'll do it. Okay, that. I'm going to put this on here. Seals it enough that it won't dry out. Okay, now I've got this. These 2 things. This goes up along the crown so I don't get brush into the dirt and gravel. And this is for my knees, my right knee and my left knee. No other knees. Okay, got that. This. Okay, I'm going to shut you off here. No, I just take your own front. No. I'm gonna start cleaning here. I'm gonna be in the sun a little bit. The siding starts to separate from the bottom. So I just try to make sure I get that good down the way. I usually use a roller on this, but just a spot deal like this, I don't use a hassle with a roller just for this little bit. I redid this a couple of years ago, probably about 7 years ago. It's really held up really good. Getting the bottom of the siding really good.